Hey guys, welcome to EMS Reporter. So guys, this is a Cisco phone, guys. Now guys, I'm going to show you the ringtones on this thing. If you want to change the ringtones, go to apps. Now I want to show the on the contact information, preferences, and hit ringtones. Alright guys, now here's 15 of them. Now here we go. Enjoy. Alright guys, now I will show you what kind of them. So that's what I like, the first one. Actually, I will let you guys listen to it real quick. So here are all the ringtones for this. And if you want to hear that again, I'm just going to play again. Here we go. Alright guys, that'd be it.